Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll show you what the MagAir plug-in air purifier is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official MagAir website, the MagAir plug-in air purifier is a compact air purification device designed to help improve indoor air quality. The company says this uses some ion-based technology to help reduce the airborne practices or particles, and of course, such as mold, spores, allergens, dust, and odor causing particles without requiring filters or complicated installation. According to the website, one of the device main features is the filter-free design, meaning there are no filters to replace or maintain. The company also says that the purifier operates quietly 24 hours a day, plugged directly into standard wall outlets, and it's suitable for you to use as an example in a bedroom, living room, offices, and other indoor spaces. But before purchasing, of course, take a few minutes to review the product's specification and make sure that the device offers the feature that you're looking for. It's always a good idea to read everything carefully and do your own research before placing an order. According to the official website, the plug-in or to use it, you'll need to plug the MagAir device into standard wall outlets in the room where you would like to use it. Choose an open location where airflow isn't blocked by furniture or curtains and switch the device on and allow it to run continuously. And the company recommends using 1 unit per standard side room. So if you decide to purchase the products, you'll have to visit the official websites, click on buy now. If they have packages, choose from that and basically enter your shipping information, payments information, and follow the on-screen instructions. So depending on the package that you're choosing. And of course, before completing your purchase, make sure to review the pricing, shipping, information like warranty, return policy, so you know exactly what's included. The official website states, or depending on the seller that you're going to buy from, but the official website states that they do have a 60-day money back guaranteed. So taking a few minutes to review these details and do your own research is always recommended. Of course, if you have any questions, they do have a frequently asked questions section and also contact section to ask more details that you may not find there. And as with any home appliance, make sure that you read the manufacturer instructions carefully, do your own research, and only purchase if you're comfortable with the products and its features. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.